Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, respectiveness. It is Fatarina Mahfira as my supervisors. My name is Aisyah Nur Sajada, student number 1710621018, and I am honored to present the findings and experience from my internship at Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all those who have provided guidance and support throughout this journey. The table of content, 1 background and objectives, 2 place of implementation, 3 organizational structure, 4 field of business implementation, of field work practice, and 5 obstacles faced and solutions. In the era of globalization and rapid technological development, the need for workforce skills and work readiness is increasing. Field work practice is an educational program designed to provide practical experience to students in a real work environment. The world of industry and business now requires human research who not only have a strong theoretical understanding, but also practical skills that can be applied immediately. For educational institutions, the internship program allows evaluations and adjustment of the curriculum to better suit industry needs, as well as strengthening collaboration with the industrial world, which can open up opportunities for further cooperation in the field of research, curriculum development, and graduate requirement. PKL objectives. Present hand-on practice of the theory learned on campus into real work situations. 2. Improve insight, skills, and experience to be able to compete professionally and adapt to other workers, especially in the field of economics. 3. Explore and understand the office operations and business activities of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. 4. Dive into the work of the Program Management Division at the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And 5. Dive into the work of the Social Media Content Division at the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The place of implementations, company name, Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the company address, Jalan Rasuna Said, Block 5, number Kopling 223, RT1, RW2, Kuningan Timur, Kecamatan Setiabudi, Kota Jakarta Selatan, daerah khusus Ibu Kota Jakarta. The email secretariat@kadin.id and the website kadin.id. The vision of The vision of Kadin Indonesia, make Kadin Indonesia the first and main church in representing the voice and interests of the business world and all stakeholders with regards to the making and implementation of economic policies throughout Indonesia. Mission of Kadin Indonesia: 1. Creating a strong Kadin Indonesia organizational structure and composition at the central and regional level so that it becomes a strategic and effective partner for the government and the business world. 2. Building Kadin Indonesia reputations and independence as a reputable business organization from all aspects, institutions, finance, leadership, community service, political support, and international cooperations. 3. Empowering members, stakeholders, resources, and financing to accelerate the national reindustrialization program, creating local champions who are globally competitive. 4. Developing cooperation with the most relevant and strategic international business communities in the national reindustrialization program, increasing foreign direct investment, export, significant knowledge and technology transfer. 5. Kadin Indonesia, together with labor unions and the world of education, creates as many qualified workers as possible with international qualifications. 6. Kadin Indonesia, together with creative entrepreneurs, create as many innovations and ready-to-use technologies as possible. And seven, raising the potential of domestic funding sources on the massive, long-term, and significant scale in building industries in the most strategic sector, namely food, housing, infrastructure, energy, and others. The organizational structure at the Kadin Indonesia Secretariat involves key positions. This position includes the Executive Director. Deputy Executive Director 1 has responsibility for public policy analysis, Director of Business Service, Director of Program, and Director of Communications, and Deputy Executive Director 2 has responsibility for the Director of Organization, Director of Internal Service, General Manager of Finance, HR Manager, and IT Manager. Kadin Indonesia formulate a work program that focuses on efforts to carry out a strategic role as a government partner in improving the national economy. Kadin Indonesia has 38 business fields. These are 68% of the work program of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, with an agenda that involves cooperation with ministries and government agencies. Implementations of PKL. Search and create design ideas for all program activities of Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. 2. Conducting research related to issues concerning several programs of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. 3. Attend every meeting organized by the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. 4. Kadin member dashboard update for 2023 to 2024. 5. Conducting data analysis in updating the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce Management Data 2024. And 6. Creating a TikTok content plan at Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Practitioners are given the task of finding and creating design ideas to help visualize all programs created by the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry in the form of visual design. Below are 3 examples of design results that practitioners have made. This process is carried out in order to gather information and objective and problem solving, which will be used as a framework for preparing academic papers and bills that will be submitted to the President and government. This is intended in order to conduct peer review activities to obtain ideas and so from expert academics and practitioners who are concerned about problems from various industries in Indonesia. Field work practice is to attend meetings held by several program field in the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Dashboard acts as a live console to manage business initiatives. This process is carried out to find out the update of Kadin Indonesia member from 2023 and 2024. This is done in order to see the revenue earned by the Indonesian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Data updating is the process of updating, modifying, or correcting existing data to ensure that it is accurate, updated, and relevant. This is done by the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry to update the number of Indonesia Chamber of Commerce and Industry administrator in updating their member identity cards or KTA. Practitioners are given the task of creating content ideas to introduce the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry on Kadin Indonesian TikTok social media platform. Practitioners look for various content reference from several platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and the website. The obstacles faced. One difficulty in following the flow of meetings to be conducted. Two, miscommunication between interns and public relations staff. And three, difficulty in creating and updating dashboards because the platform used is different from what has been learned during lectures. How to overcome obstacles. Obstacles 1, practitioners consult with mentors regarding meetings that have taken place, and for the next meeting, practitioners always make sure and ask the mentor for detailed meeting information so that there is no miscommunication. Obstacles 2, practitioners ask the mentor for tutoring before doing the work. And the obstacles 3, communication is the process of delivering message from one person to another with the aim of influencing someone's knowledge or behavior. Practitioners try to communicate so that there is no gap between staff and interns, so that in the future there will be no more miscommunication between staff and interns. Theory gap. Theory gap in graphic design and video animation course. There are differences in platforms, and there are several theories that are not taught in details. One of which is the practitioners are not taught about how to take videos or content. Theory gap in data analytic course. There are differences in data analysis carried out in the program management division. Practitioners carry out field work practice using Microsoft Excel and Tableau, while during lectures, practitioners are only taught to use Microsoft Excel and Smart PLS. Theory gap in business intelligence course, practitioners are taught to process data using the SPSS application and data visualization using Power BI. However, where practitioners carry out field work practice, practitioners are given work to visualize data using Looker Studio. Conclusions. Practitioners get a lot of experience both in practice and theory, as well as new knowledge gained outside the campus, including responsibility, teamwork, good communication, time management, and discipline. There are some experience that practicum has gained in the work environment. One, knowing the mechanism of doing research and finding good and correct data, and knowing the website needed when doing research. Two, had the opportunity to attend meetings and meet with the minister administrators of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry and successful entrepreneurs. And three, had the opportunities to contribute to a major event of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Four, learn the mechanism of visualizing data and creating dashboard using Looker Studio. Five, knowing how to process data and Excel formulas that are often used in data processing. And six, knowing the mechanism of creating a content planner by knowing consumer needs so as to improve the performance of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry social media. Recommendation for the company. One, there is still a lack of structured internal activities at the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry in assigning tasks to interns. Two, there is no access to the office of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And the three, there is a need to improve communication between staff and interns of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Recommendation for study programs. One, practitioners hope that the S1 Digital Business Study Program can hold an information forum regarding internship programs and provide detailed and maximum information in internship vacancies to S1 Digital Business students. And two, increasing the number of partner companies, both BUMN and private, so that in the future S1 Digital Business students do not experience difficulties in finding information about where to carry out PKL. Through this internship, I have gained significant insight into program management and social media content, developed new skill, and grown both personally and professionally. The experience and challenge and I faced have prepared me well for future endeavors in the force. Thank you all for your time and support. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.